Tonight I'm going to make some corn on the cob. I'm going to need to heat some water to boil this corn. It's probably going to take about 1.5 of these bottles here. I'm going to bring that water up to a boil, and that'll probably take all of about 5 minutes or so. We're going to turn up the heat, and then we'll cover this. We're going to take our corn and shuck it. Get all of the corn silk off. Cut off the end. I'm going to break off this end here. Cut that right in half. You should wind up with 2 pieces like this. So it's been just about 5 minutes and that water is boiling. I'm going to turn that down to a low simmer. So I'm going to take 2 of the ears of corn and just slip those right into the pot. Cover and let those cook for 5 minutes. Well, let's check these last 2. Oh, I think they're done as well. Remove the pot. There you have fresh corn on the cob made with your mess kit. Thank you for watching.